Hey Guitars. Let's go build some junk. I think we're done drawing. Even if things get tweaked a little bit, we're done with the design. I think. Enough that we can turn our design attentions to the templates. This would go cleaner on something with no grain. Alright, now that we got that, I want this. pretty smooth. What I think I'm gonna do, I've looked at, okay, a 2x4 is not 2x4, it's 1.5 by 3.5, something like that. Alright, well, we want an 1 3/4 thick. So, I'm gonna have to cut ripped strips that are 1 3/4 wide, flip them and glue them all together. Glue a bunch of pieces together. Since we're painting this thing, we can do that because we don't care. Just fill everything in. It's going to be painted. Yeah. But I think the easiest way to start that is to flatten one edge past the round over and then go from there. So, just to make life simple, because I don't want to have to dig out the table saw, I'm going to run it on the joiner. Seems like a dumb idea, but I think it'll work. Okay, it couldn't hurt to cut it down into smaller, shorter, more manageable pieces. I think we'll do that first. Pine might actually be more trouble than it's worth. We don't see. Okay, now I already marked out where strips are going to be, but it's theoretical until you actually cut them. So I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to do 2 sides. So once everything is done and together, we can run those through the planer and make sure that everything's the same thickness and nice and clean. So first, I need this. And that piece right there is going to be 15.5 inch. Next one, 13. Mwah. Damn it. I don't know if I ever mentioned this before, but always dry run. Okay, so my plan is I'm going to do half at a time. So that I can waste of glue. So that I can run each half through the planer, thickness planer, after we glue up. So everything should be, I mean, the two halves will be the same thickness and nice and flat, and yeah. Surely you can imagine what I'm trying to say. Sandwich them down a little bit so they stay flat, flush. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. Well, we just need to do that again. So, I mean, realistically, we're at like 1 3/4 inches perfectly right now. Because I wasn't thinking, we should have left a little bit, because we are going to have to plane just a little bit off to get everything nice and perfectly flush. But, I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly 1 3/4 inches. Never mind the fact that we're going at it the hard way this way, so we got that thickness. But we wouldn't have been anywhere near it otherwise, so. So yeah. Okay, one more time. Thanks for swinging by. It means the world to me that people actually watch and find some value in my goofy shenanigans. If you're one of those people, then do me a favor and like the video and subscribe so you can catch the future junk coming up. So we always got stuff to do. So meet me back here next time. Bye. Like, subscribe, watch.